Kubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Uba Metbah Lyngdoh hadin ba ula Shah Jied biang kumu presiden ke United Democratic Party ula kular ban penklannya ka seng de kejinge trailang bat baro ki Nongkitkam. Habaya keren bat kilar pathai kubor uba Metbah Lyngdoh uliathu bakindang penklan shisho ka seng nang ni syakman tadawan ke election MDC bat MP jong ka Lok Sabha. Ula penthikna ba Watla uba Bindo Lanong Shah Jied shu kumu Nongkitkam bahakmat ke nomination committee hinrai undang dehi Dkhot. Halor ke Jingdawa district temaya ke Sora uba Metbah ulong baka seng kandang budin ban punur longnya ke Jingang non jong ki ba.
Yes, we were supposed to have the General Council last year. Since the term of 3 years has ended last year, from 2019 till 2022. But because of the general election which we just had in 2023, because of the preparation, so last year the party decided that we will postpone the General Council and the same will be held after the general election of 2023. So we have scheduled the same today and we have the council. I should say that we had a very, very successful and meaningful and fruitful General Council this year. And we have received reports also from three wings, like the youth wing, the women's wing, and also at the same time we have received brief reports from the detailed report, I should say, from the General Secretary about the activities, the function of the party at the state level. So most of the delegates who have attended today were very satisfied and very happy with the outcome of the General Council. And the nomination committee, as per the constitution of the party, sat today only during a short break and discuss, bring out the names and propose the same to the General Council for its consent and approval, and where we had already done that under the chairmanship of the person who has been elected by the nomination committee, Bharati Dkhot. So that's it for the day, and we had the new office bearers of the party, and as you are aware that we have separated the names, details of all those who are the office bearers of the party. I strongly believe that in the party that what they have entrusted to us, we have made all sincere efforts to see that we take the party forward in a bigger way. So when you compare the 2018 and 2023 elections, I would like to mention here categorically that we had a team in the party where they are the think tank group, they are in the team member, they are the senior leaders of the party, they are the elected members, some of them they are the electeds and some of them are not the elected also, but they have already contributed to the party, and that's why the performance of the party, we are very happy, but though we are not satisfied, because we look up for better performance in the future from now on. So we have been able to take the party up to this level because of the the teamwork that we had with us. Each and every member of the team has really contributed to the success of the party till this very moment.
So can you just
to say on that. Maybe perhaps my friends or my colleagues, my friends who are here, other ladies, I think he will be better than they will be right and appropriate for them to see on this meeting.
This meeting do you
Ask from this side and even also can ask that what, how do we move forward, what are the agendas. Now we have just completed the General Council of the party today. Immediately, within this month or maybe in a very short time, we will again sit down as a core group and we will again make plans and take decisions how do we move forward. Committee ka ba? Yang penting.
nang Lyngdoh dang investment na dang dom hak UDP na nang
Ya menta kai ka ekonomi sin ka narai ki to ki ki office ka rasu.
kami buat Bindo dah, buat Bindo.
Baro kita kita be ki member jo ka party.
Dang dai
Ki barang dang pa party hai.